To record sounds on OnePlus Nord CE5, you have to start by opening sound recorder application that is available over here. Now accept all of those settings, the permission to get access into files. Then you can go back and click on this red button to start recording and grant permission into your microphone and some notifications. If you want to mark something on the timeline, you can just click over here, and by clicking on the three dots you can rename, so if you want to set specific name, or if you accidentally tap here, you can just delete that mark. And you can pause, you can play, you can even get the photo mark if you want, so we can just capture the photo right now. And if you want to finish, click on the right upper corner. Over here you can change name of the record and get the summary. You can click save. Now just wait a little bit, and as you can see, we have to accept this recording summary. We get auto language of the language. You can also manually select language. We have to install notes. There we go. And now when we go back, we'll get that summary in the application. So we have to click over here. Now it's generating the summary. Take a look. And there's the audio transcript, there's summary. You can even click here to get the audio transcript.